Okay, so in this video, I'll show you how to fix the camera roll isn't backed up by Snapchat issue. Well, it's a really weird issue that you can experience. A lot of people are, and there's a very simple answer to it. So make sure you like the video because each like helps me out a lot. So you will run into it by clicking here, and basically you'll be automatically brought up to the snaps. And if you go over to camera roll, look what is said at the top. Your camera roll isn't backed up by Snapchat. And you might think that's an issue, but it's actually not. It's not an issue. What this basically means is that your camera roll is the photos you have on your device. Maybe they're backed up on iCloud, but they're not saved on Snapchat. If you want to save them on Snapchat, you gotta use them on Snapchat. So it's nothing you should worry about. So just give this video a like, and I want to see you in the next one.